So one of the X in this transversal questions. The first question is always you have to know the relationship between the angles given. So here, for you to know the relationship between the angles given, you have to know that this will come here at x plus 10, then can be corresponded here. So here will be x plus 10. After you know that, then you have to know this is making a half a circle, which is 180. So that means the relationship is supplementary, the angle that add up to 180. So you're going to write your equation as all added together equals to 180. Then the next step, you need to know how to solve for x. You need to know how to apply solving equation in this case. So you solve for x. Here you subtract both sides 30, and then that's going to give you, I'll write it up here, it's going to give you 3x is equals to 150. And then you divide both sides by 3. That's going to give you 50. So x is equals to 50. You plug it in, and then you can find the various angle. All right. In this particular one, realize that they are alternating. So it's alternate angles. The alternate angles are equal. So you set your equation up, you equate, and then you apply solving skills to find x here. And that make it so easy. Thank you for watching.